Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably considering canceling your Hawaiian Airlines credit card in 2025, and that's totally okay. We all need to manage our finances wisely. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you cancel, take a moment to review your account. Log into your Hawaiian Airlines credit card portal, usually through the issuer's website, like Barclays if that's who handles it. Check your current balance, any pending transactions, and your rewards points. You don't want any surprises, like unpaid bills that could lead to fees. If you have rewards or miles, decide what to do with them now, as they might expire or be forfeited upon cancellation. Next, contact customer service. The easiest way is to call the number on the back of your card or on your online account. Be prepared to provide your account details and personal information for verification. This is standard for security. When you get through, clearly state that you want to cancel your card. They might ask why, but you don't have to share if you're not comfortable. Just remember, cancellations are often final, so double-check everything. Now, if you're more of an online person, some issuers let you cancel through their app or website. Look for the Account Services or Cancel Card option. Follow the prompts, and you'll likely need to confirm via email or text. Either way, make sure you get a confirmation number or email as proof of cancellation. One important tip: be aware of any annual fees or early termination fees. For the Hawaiian Airlines card, there might not be a fee, but it's always good to confirm. Also, canceling could affect your credit score, so if you're planning big purchases, think twice. Once it's done, keep an eye on your final statement to ensure no unauthorized charges pop up. And if you change your mind, some cards have a grace period, but act fast. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Safe travels and smart decisions. See you next time.